What's up, everybody? FatBoy Dan here. We are out here at Academy Sports and Outdoors in Terre Haute, Indiana. I wanted to bring you guys something special right now. We're about to do an unboxing of a big cannon. When it comes to it, man, I'll tell you what, this cannon right here can tell me something about it. Thinking this is going to be the 13 fishing rod and reel combo that just hit the market. Let's take a little sneak peek inside of it and see exactly what's inside of this bad boy right here. Kind of still pretty good. Oh. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Look at these. Look at these. Let me lay the baby down real quick. Oh, my lordy. Oh, yes, indeed. Oh, stay. I was right. There it is. The 13 fishing. Let's let the baby sit right there real quick. Check it out. Beautiful right off the bat. Look at the handle on it. I like to call it the lateral nerve line, so that way when you're gripping it, your lateral nerves in your arm can feel the slightest bites. The Origin LTD 13 fishing. Let's unwrap this baby, see what it's all about. I love the camouflage looking handle when it comes to it. You can kind of see that. And then that's kind of like a fiberglass. Like you can almost see through it. Let's unbox this bad boy. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's sleek. That is sleek and slick design right there. Look at that. Let's get the plastic off the reel. See what we got on that. Oh, what a beauty. Oh, I'm packaging it nice and smooth. Get that rubber band. We don't want no rubber band on there. Even the slick design through the handle below it, man. This is coming in at an 8-1-1 gear ratio for your faster retrieves. The handle grips on it are interchangeable. Nice cushion on it. Your braking system, this also has your side braking right here underneath it. Has your little switch. I like to call it like a transformer when you're thinking about it. Transformer. Hit the little button. Pops it up. Spins it around. Has your braking system right there. Incredible. Goes right back on. Very nice. Look at this. 13 fishing right there. Very nice. 7-foot medium heavy action with a fast tip. 8 to 14 pound line is what it's actually calling for. Let's count the guides on this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 guides for flexibility, for line control when you're actually going to be casting your baits. But that 8-1-1 gear ratio is going to give you the retrieving speed to burn them spinner baits, them top waters up. 13 Origin alone, man. You guys like that? Let's see that bad boy. This is sweet, man. I'll tell you what, I actually like it. It's like a hunter orange. When you think about it, you're out there on the water. Someone's like, what are you fishing with? What are you fishing with? When they see that hot orange, they're going to know it. You know me, I love green and I love orange. This color right here is like not a real glossy orange. And it's actually not like their 13 concept, the Z. It's not that type of orange that has the speckles to it. This is more of like a fluorescent orange that they would have out spraying your lines when you're out there, you know, the meter readers. Let's go over a little bit about this, what's going in. First off, incredible price tag. $99. Incredible. But let's break it down, see what this is all about when it comes to it with the 13 Origin, because we already know they're good, which is always built from the Japanese brand 24-ton blank. Now, it's not going to haul in 24 tons, you know, like big 24 ton, you're going to break it. But 24 ton when it comes into the rods is very, very good. Then we have the Volvo skeleton reel seat, which I just said about that earlier, which gives you a little bit more grip. So if you're out there, the slightest bite detection, like I said, the lateral nerve, you got nerves that run through your arms to your brain. So you reeling, twitch, bam, you can feel it in your fingertip right there, or right here. Then you also have your camo EVA slip grip, which I already said that was a nice feature on it. I do like that. Then also it has this. Let's just break this baby down. 6+1 stainless steel ball bearings, which means you're going to have 6 ball bearings plus the one on the main pinion drive gear. Going to give you reliability, castability, durability. Coming in with the arrowhead line guide. Oh, I do see that. I don't know if y'all can see that, but the line guide arrowhead is more of a narrow shape. Very smooth. Let me see what else we got on this. 13-pound max drag, which is going to be very good as well. Japanese hamimi cut gearing, which means it's slice and dice when it came to the gearing precision, accuracy on slicing to make sure that your gears spin and they don't grind when you need them. Now this does have the hook keeper, so let's see where that's at. Nice, they made it up on top. A lot of rods will make it on the bottom, so when you're actually carrying it, you're getting hooked. Having it right on top in front of you lets you know right where it's at. Now it does have the centrifugal braking system, which I told you about a little bit ago, with the braking gears inside of it. Drop the spool out as well. There's your main bearing. Got your gears on as well. Easy to take apart. Easy to put it back together like it's nothing. Smooth. Other reels, when you pop them apart, what do? You can't get them back together. They won't go back together. Frustrated, you break it. This, very nice concept when it comes to it. But like 13 does with a lot of their rods, 1 year unconditional warranty, man. They take care of the customers. Me personally, I think this is pretty good. Then we're gonna figure out where the backbone is. So the backbone's gonna be a little bit more towards the rear seat. Not too bad, but then we're gonna really test the backbone to kind of see the flexibility of it. 6. We're going to about the 7th guide. 7th guide, we're getting to it. It does have that fast tip. It does actually. Look at that. Let me see what. Oh, that's smooth. Very smooth right there. But I'll tell you what, man, that is the 13 Concept Origin LTD coming right there at Academy Sports and Outdoors. Y'all want one, man, get down to your local academies. Hopefully y'all got it. You should be seeing it arrive very soon. Tell you what, man, until another episode, y'all live to fish to live, and I'm FatBoy Dan. I'm out of here.